Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Super Saver bag for the month of January. I recently got this box and I fell so much in love with it, and I thought I definitely have to show you guys what it is actually, if you don't know already. So before we go into the unboxing of this subscription box, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And now, without any further ado, let me just get started with the actual unboxing of the Super Saver bag for the month of January. So this comes in a box which looks like this, and this is neatly packed, and it came with the package or the parcel reached me in a nice condition. So once you open up the box, you see the products all wrapped up and all nicely packed and stuff. So the details of the box or the purchase link or their Instagram handle and their WhatsApp number will be there in the description box for you guys to check. And also the price of this box differs if you're gonna pay using Google Pay or bank transfer. But the general pricing of the box is mentioned on the screen. I think it is for 499 rupees. So if you had add shipping, it differs based on which mode of payment you choose. So all the details will be there in the description box, and please check the description box before you go ahead and purchase it. And also comparatively, I would say Super Saver bag is one of the affordable jewelry subscription boxes because the quality of the jewelry is so good, and also you definitely get best quality jewelry at affordable prices. I think that in that way, this is one of the affordable jewelry boxes available in India, and I highly recommend you guys to get your hands on the jewelry. January edition if you are looking for something, a good quality jewelry for sure. So yeah, they do not have any info card or anything of that sort in the box, so I'm just going to directly show you the products for the January month. I think they have 5 products plus 2 gifts. So that's how it is. So totally it makes it to 7 products in general. So the first earring. So basically all of the products that I got is earrings and one finger ring. So the first product is this earring that you see right here, which is so big and which perfectly goes with all the Indian wear. Like, all the Indian wear, you definitely can go ahead and wear it, but I'm wearing it with a western top. It depends on how you actually do your makeup and stuff. So yeah, so this is the first product. So the second product, so let me show you the second product as the ring. So this huge ring, as you guys can see, like, it's so huge, is the second product in the box. I'm just gonna remove my older ring and put this on. Yeah, it's more than my entire ring. So this is the second product. I think you can wear this, like only one ring will do for your entire hand, and this looks so huge, like, can you guys see? It looks so huge and I really like it. I think you can wear it with uh, anything, like, anything you can wear, because this doesn't have any stones or anything. I think it will go with anything that you would want to wear. Nice. So I'm gonna have this, not that, and I'm gonna have this for the entire video. You will have to bear me, like, with the big ring. Okay, so the next product is this earring. So this has something written on it. Okay, this is the Slokam Asatoma Sadgamaya. So that's the slogan that's written on the earring, which looks really nice. This will be very nice if you are, someone who's wearing kurta every day. I think this would be perfectly nice with that. And you can wear jean, like a torn jean with Indo western top, and this would be perfect. So I'm just gonna wear this and show you how it actually looks. So this is how it looks on me. So as you guys can see, this doesn't look that grand or so heavy on your earrings. I mean, sorry, on your ears. So I think you can wear it on a daily wear. It looks nice and I really like it. So yeah, the third product in the box is this earring. You get color option for it, but you don't get to choose them. So if you book it earlier, I think she would give you options. But other than that, you don't get to choose the colors. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this up and show you. So it all came with this sort of something. Okay, so that's what is inside, and this is how it looks. I chose gold, and this looks nice. All dazzled. It's looking so nice, and it's sort of good quality. So the good quality that I mean is the finishing of the jewelry, or the coating is looks neat, and also it is not very lightweight. So definitely this is of good quality, and you can see how good it looks on the camera itself. So I'm just gonna wear this and show you how it actually looks on me. So this is how it looks on me. So can you guys see how gorgeous it looks? It's so good. I really love it, and yeah, so much in love with this earring. Yeah. So the next product is, how many did I show you? 1, 2, 3. So this is the fourth product. So I'm going to show you the fifth product, okay? So the fifth product is this earring. Can you guys see how good this looks? So this looks so nice. I'm just taking a look at it. Like, I really wanted to take a look at it, and this looks so nice, and I'm gonna wear this and show you how it looks on me. So this is how the earring looks on me. So it looks so nice. I know I'm telling it again and again because it looks nice. Can you just see? And all of the earring can be worn to the western and also to Indian wear based on how you actually style them. So yeah, it looks really nice. I love it. And this is also not too heavy and not very lightweight. So yeah, I love it. So good. And the last two products are the gift products of this month, so which are earrings as well. So this is the next earring. I think this was the only color that she had. I mean, yeah, for everyone this is the only color. This is not heavy, like yeah, can you guys see? This is not just heavy, it is very lightweight. So this is the only hanging sort of a earring that we have. So this is the hanging one. If you don't like hanging, maybe you wouldn't like it, but this would go really nice with kurtis and western. I don't think so this will be nice with saris and stuff, but let me just wear this and show you how it actually looks on me. So this is how it looks. So as I told you, this would look really nice on western and Indo-Western, but not that great on saris and stuff. Yeah, I like it, but not like the other ones. I really love it. So the last product in this month's Super Saver bag is a stud. But actually you can hang anything if you have, like this has a small hole in there, so you can actually put any hanging to it and wear it as a long earring as well. But this works really nice as a stud itself. So yeah, I think they've covered everything. Like they have just that sort. They have loop and everything. So yeah, nice, decent, and cool. Yeah, and I'm gonna remove this side as well and put it on. So that's it for the unboxing of Super Saver bag, and if you like it, please go ahead and get it before it goes out of stock. And yeah, I'll see you guys with another video. Until then, take care. Bye.